Hare Krishna. Today we will stitch fancy dress of Bal Gopal with lining inside. In our previous video, we have made summer dress of Bal Gopal using cotton cloth. Now we will make fancy dress using shimmer, satin or any other fancy cloth with lining inside. We have taken measurement size as follows. For skirt, we need a straight strip of 35 inches in width and 5 inches in length. And for top, we need two strips of 7 inches in length and 2 inches in width. For lining, we need matching lining close strip of 35 inches in width and 5 inches in length and two strip of 2 inches in width and 7 inches in length. Now let's start. See, this cloth I have taken for dress. This is a strip of 35 inches by 5 inches for lower skirt. You can see in fancy cloth the thread of edges are very uneven. We use lining for these type of cloth to make it more durable, to give it strength and to even its edges. For lining, I have taken this yellow cotton cloth. I have cut the same size strip of 35 by 7 inches. This is two strip of 7 by 2 inches for top. Now we will take decorative material such as same lace or stone etc. You can use any kind of lace, whether broader or thinner one, heavy work or light work. It's totally your choice. We are not using bukram in this dress. Now let's start. First of all, stitch lining cloth. Take the reverse side of both cloth and stitch it together from all four sides. Then on lower side, turn the edges twice and stitch it. The benefit of turning it twice is that the edges got locked and no extra thread came outside. See, I have stitched it and sealed all four sides with golden gota. It will be helpful in locking uneven edges. Please note, we have to stitch golden gota in all four sides to lock edges and to stop thread to be came outside. It gives a proper finished look. Now I will decorate it with lace. You can use any kind of lace, broader one or thinner one. Now see, I have stitched lace in this dress. I have used two layers of one type of lace to create design. Then put marks of inches and quarter inch, as did in previous dress to create pleats. Then stitched all pleats. This is how ready skirt will look. Now we will stitch top. For top, I have taken two strips as shown earlier and stitched golden gota on all sides to lock threads of edges. Now reverse it and turn into half. Then from top, leave 2 inches and stitched it. Same steps repeat on second strip. Then we will stitch front neck keeping one strip on another. We will not stitch it up to end. We have to create V in front neck. Let me show you how to do it. Stitch it leaving 2 inches from top to make short sleeves or armhole. Now turn them. Now see, this is sleeves. In this style, I have not cut the sleeve area. Just sew it directly. In my previous video, I have cut the sleeves. So it's your choice what style you want to stitch. Now keep one on another and stitch one end up to half from front side. The top is ready. Now we will place this top on skirt and stitch it. See, dress of Bal Gopal is ready. I have stitched the top on skirt. For variation, I have stitched lace on front neck as well to create design. If you want, You can stitch the same on sleeves, on above side of skirt as well. It's totally your choice how you want to decorate it. Dress for Bal Gopal is ready. It's easy to stitch and beautiful in look. I hope this video will be useful to you. If you have any comments or suggestion, please write to me. Your comments motivate me a lot for more good work. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Hare Krishna.